Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 5, Lesson 31, and we're continuing our work with adjectives and adverbs. Last time you learned to add ER and EST to compare. Today we handle the longer adjectives that need a different approach, the ones that reach for more and most. Plus, how to compare in the negative direction, and one very common mistake to steer clear of. Let's get started. We're picking up right where the last lesson left off. In Lesson 30, you learned to add ER and EST to compare with short adjectives. But some adjectives are simply too long for ER and EST. Say tall, taller, tallest. That feels natural. Now try famous, famouser, famousest. That sounds clumsy, doesn't it? So for a one-syllable adjective, you keep adding ER and EST, just like before. But for an adjective with two or more syllables, you switch to two little helper words, more and most. Let the length of the word pick the method for you. So here's the one question that decides everything. How many syllables does the adjective have? Clap it out. A short word like fast has just one beat. Fast. So it takes the endings. Fast, faster, fastest. A longer word like famous has two beats. Famous. So instead of endings, it borrows more and most. Famous, more famous, most famous. Short words add letters. Long words add a helper in front. That single choice, count the beats, then choose the path, is the heart of today's lesson. Let's meet the comparative for longer adjectives. When you compare exactly two things with a long adjective, you don't touch its ending at all. You place the word more right in front of it. Look, this trail is more popular than that one. Two trails, side by side, so it's the comparative, and popular is long, so we say more popular, never popularer. It works the same for any longer adjective. Careful becomes more careful. Curious becomes more curious. And just like before, the little word than tags along, because you're still setting two things next to each other. Two things plus a long adjective equals more. Now the superlative for longer adjectives. When you pick one thing out of a whole group with a long adjective, you again leave its ending alone. This time you put the word most in front. Here, this is the most popular trail of them all. We're crowning one trail above every other, so it's the superlative, and we say most popular, never popularist. The pattern holds for the rest. Careful becomes most careful. Curious becomes most curious. And you'll usually spot the little word the nearby, pointing to the one at the very top of the group. Three or more plus a long adjective equals most. Let's line them up in a table, just like we did with the short adjectives. Take popular. Popular, more popular, most popular. Then careful. Careful, more careful, most careful. And curious. Curious, more curious, most curious. Read across each row and you can hear it. The plain adjective, then more for comparing two, then most for comparing three or more. The idea is exactly the one you already know from ER and EST. These longer words simply borrow more and most instead. There's another direction you can compare in, downward. Instead of saying something has more of a quality, you can say it has less. For two things, use less. This path is less crowded than the main road. For a whole group, use least. It is the least crowded trail in the park. Think of it as a mirror image. More and most climb up the scale. Less and least step down it. And notice, with long adjectives, less and least sit in front too, exactly like more and most, so the adjective itself never changes. Now, the one mistake I really want you to avoid, the double comparison. This happens when you accidentally use two comparisons on a single adjective at the same time. You'll hear people say more smaller or most smallest. But smaller already means more small, and smallest already means most small. The job is finished. Adding more or most on top just doubles it, and that's wrong. The fix is easy. Pick one way to compare. Just say smaller and just say smallest. One comparison per adjective, never two stacked together. Let's boil the whole lesson into a quick check. Step 1. Count the syllables in the adjective. Step 2. If it has just one syllable, add ER or EST, the way you did in Lesson 30. Step 3. If it has two or more syllables, use more or most instead, and use less or least when you're comparing downward. And one last guardrail. Never combine the two systems. If a word already ends in ER or EST, it must not also take more or most. Count, choose, and never double up. Ready to practice together? Time to practice. In this first set, decide how to build the comparison. Count the syllables. A one-syllable adjective takes ER or EST, but a longer one needs more or most. Pause the video and choose before I reveal the answer. The sequel was blank than the original. The adjective is popular, and if you clap it out, it has 3 syllables. That's a long word. Long adjectives don't take ER, so popularer isn't a real word. We use more instead. So the answer is more popular. That was the blank tour of the entire trip. We're singling out one tour from a whole trip, so we need the superlative. And memorable is a long adjective, 4 syllables, so it takes most, not EST. So the answer is most memorable. This backpack is blank than my old one. There are 2 backpacks here, and the word than confirms we're comparing 2. Comfortable is a long adjective, so we reach for more, not the ER ending. So the answer is more comfortable. In this second set, watch out for 2 traps. Never stack 2 comparisons on one adjective. And remember that less and least compare in the downward direction. Pause and choose before I answer. Choose the correct phrase. More easier or easier? Here's the trap. Easier already means more easy. The comparison is built right in. Putting more in front of it is a double comparison, and that's an error. So the answer is easier. Of the 3 trails, this one is the blank crowded. Notice we're comparing 3 trails, a whole group, and we're going in the downward direction. Downward plus a whole group calls for the negative superlative, which is least. So the answer is least. Of the 2 plans, hers is blank complicated. This time there are only 2 plans, and again we're comparing downward. 2 things in the downward direction means the negative comparative, which is less, not least. So the answer is less. Let's gather up what we learned. When an adjective has 2 or more syllables, you don't add ER or EST. You use more for the comparative and most for the superlative. More popular, most popular. To compare in the other direction, downward, you use less and least. Less crowded, least crowded. And above all, Never make a double comparison. If an adjective already carries er or est, it must never also take more or most. Count the syllables, choose your helper, and never stack two comparisons. Wonderful work today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.